Professional monopods are essential tools for photographers and videographers who require stability and mobility when capturing images or footage. There are many products available to choose professional monopods, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best professional monopods from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Neewer Professional Camera Monopod. The Neewer Professional Camera Monopod is a versatile and portable tool for photographers and filmmakers. The adjustable multi-angle monopod base with detachable tripod feet supports 360 degrees swivel and 45 degrees tilt and can be positioned horizontally or vertically up to 90 degrees. The professional fluid video head features 360 degrees pan and -70 degrees per plus 90 degrees tilt movement, a counterbalance system, and damping control for easy panoramic, low-angle, and overhead shots. The monopod is also compatible with various DSLR cameras, mirrorless cameras, camcorders, gimbals, and video rigs. It is easy to set up and transport with flip locks, rubber grip, and a 13.2 pounds load capacity. Number 2. Sirui P424FS Carbon Fiber Monopod. The Sirui Carbon Fiber Monopod is a versatile and reliable camera accessory that is perfect for photographers and creators. With its innovative quick-release system, the top mounting plate can be easily detached and securely reattached with a simple pull-down and trigger mechanism. This unique modular design combines a monopod, extension rod, and tabletop tripod, allowing you to perform multiple tasks with just one set. The sturdy carbon fiber legs and large tube diameter provide heavy-duty support for photography gear weighing up to 12 kilograms per 26.6 pounds. Additionally, the monopod features a 360 degrees panoramic capability and a 36 degrees swiveling tripod base, offering more shooting flexibility. The included mini-pod, made of solid aluminum, provides stability and can be easily adjusted for different angles. With the Sirui Carbon Fiber Monopod, you'll enjoy convenience, versatility, and reliable support for all your photography needs. Number 3. Monopod with Feet 73.2-inch Professional Camera Monopod Tripod. The Common Monopod with Feet is designed for photographers seeking versatility and ease of use. Its lightweight aluminum construction makes it easy to carry, while the upgraded Q6 fluid head allows you to capture stunning panoramic shots with smooth, tilting capabilities. The quick-release system ensures that you can attach your camera in seconds, enhancing your workflow. With its 3-in-1 tripod stand, you can switch between a fixed monopod, portable monopod, or a low-angle tripod, making it perfect for various shooting scenarios. Number 4. KR-CF34 Carbon Fiber Camera Monopod Kit. The KR-CF34 Carbon Fiber Camera Monopod Kit is a compact, durable, and versatile video monopod kit designed for travel and fast-moving situations. It features a pan-tilt head with preset counterbalance, pan/tilt locking, and 360 degrees panning and plus 90 degrees, minus 50 degrees tilt. It also has an easy setup with ergonomic flip lock and a pivoting foot with mini tripod option for 360 degrees swiveling, 45 degrees tilting, and 90 degrees drop notch. Additionally, it has an adjustable height of 27.5 inch to 71.3, a max load of 13.2 lb, and comes with a carrying bag, fluid head, monopod leg, and 3-leg tripod base. Number 5. iFootage Monopod Cobra 3C180F-P. The iFootage Camera Monopod Cobra 3C180 is a genuine pedal monopod that comes with a patented pedal locking control. You can easily lock/unlock the monopod by pressing the pedal with your feet. The vertical and horizontal drag creates smoother swiveling and tilting, while the longer base feet provide better stability and control. The quick-release plate eliminates the need to press down the auto-locking sleeve, making it easier and faster to deploy.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.